Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Andito naman tayo sa isang bagong video lesson brought to you by Aral with Misha. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa ating mga video lessons. So ngayon ay grade 8 math. Special products po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Okay? So pattern for the square of a binomial. So kapag a plus b squared, so iulit mo lang siya, a plus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay? So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, paano nangyari yon? So, ito, first term, distribute, and distribute, and then, itong gitna, yan, and, ayan. Okay? So, first term natin, a squared plus ab. Yung gitna naman is plus ab. Then, last term plus b squared. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, like terms, add the coefficients plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? Kaya, dyan nanggaling to. Okay? So, kapag negative, a minus b, negative yung b, a minus b, ang magiging negative lang is yung gitna, minus 2ab. So, yung first term mo pareho and last term. Because when you square the negative b, or you multiply negative b by negative b is actually positive b squared. Kaya positive. Yung gitna lang yung negative, minus 2ab. Alright? So, squaring a binomial always produces the square of the first term. Okay? Twice the product of the two terms. And the square of the last term. Okay? So, product of sum and difference, conjugate. So, ibig sabihin ng conjugate, a plus b. Ang conjugate niyan is a minus b. Okay? So, ang ano lang yan is a squared minus b squared. Yung bakit walang middle term? Kasi, yung a mo times multiplied by negative b is negative ab. Okay? Negative ab. Then, ito, positive AB. So, it will just cancel out. Kaya a squared minus b squared na lang yung matitira. Okay? And pattern natin, square the first term and square the last term. So, a squared minus b squared. So, kapag ito yung nangyari, a squared minus b squared, kung may mga factoring lessons tayo in the future, so alam nyo na kaagad yan, a plus b times a minus b. If you need to factor out the a squared minus b squared na. Sa mga next lesson natin yan or magbibigay tayo ng additional lessons for that factoring. Okay? So, okay, sample problems na tayo. Square of a binomial, x plus 6 then squared. So, square the first term, x squared, okay? Plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by your first term, x. Then, b, that's 6, okay? Plus the b squared. So, 6 squared yun, okay? So, x squared plus 12x plus 36. So, this is your answer. Kapag gusto nyo double check, gusto nyo talaga yung long method natin, okay? Long method, x plus 6 times x plus 6. Magdi-distribute ka, ganyan, isa-isa, okay? Or FOIL method. So, x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 6 times 6 is 36. So, x squared plus 12x plus 36. So, same lang. Okay? Sa formula natin na x squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? So, ito po yung sagot natin. X squared plus 12x plus 36. Alright? So, handling a negative second term. Negative yon. A minus b ito, ha? So, the, ano yan is a squared, okay? So, 3x is your a, then you need to square. May coefficient ka dyan na 3, okay? Minus 2 multiplied by a, 3x, and b, 2ab, 5. Yung negative, minus 2ab na yan kasi negative minus to. Okay? Kaya negative yan. Then, plus b squared plus b mo is 5 squared. Okay? So, 3 times 3, itong law of exponents, you just need to distribute it, distributive property of your exponents. So, 3 squared yan, then x squared, okay? Minus 3 times 2 is 6x times 5, multiply mo pa yun ng 5, plus 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 3 squared is actually 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. This is your final answer. Kapag gusto mong na gawin natin yung foil, okay, 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5, the FOIL method, okay, first term and outer terms, then inner, then last, okay? So, 3 times 3 is actually 9. 9x squared minus 15x minus 15x plus 25, okay? 9x squared minus ito plus negative, so negative 30x plus 25. So, okay, pareho lang. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo gamitin ganito, magfo-foil kayo, or gamitin nyo yung formula na a squared plus 2ab. Pag negative is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, nasa inyo na yon. Okay, next is sum and difference. Pag nakita natin may minus, alam mo na kagad, square the first term and square a minus b squared. So, x squared minus 36. Yan na kagad yung sagot. Okay? Kasi yung negative mo, 6x, and inner and outer mo is positive 6x minus 6x. It will just cancel out. Okay? Okay, exercises. Feel free to pause the video, gawin nyo yung exercises, then let's try to solve it together. Alright? X plus 7 squared. Okay, so first term, square the first term. X squared plus 2 times x, the first term, times 2ab, diba? So b is the second. Alright? Plus b squared, so 7 squared. So x squared plus 14x plus 7 squared, 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So this is your answer. Okay, let's move forward. 2x minus 5 squared, okay? So, you first need 2x a squared yan, isa-square mo yan. Then, minus 2 times a times b, okay? Plus b squared. So, 5 squared. So, 2, distributive property ng exponents mo. 2 raised to 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4x squared, minus 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20, so negative 20x, plus 5 times 5 is 25. So this is your final answer. Okay? Let's move forward. 3 is 3y plus 4 squared. Hindi ko na papakitain yung FOIL method, so diretso na lang tayo sa formula. So 3y is squared mo yan, plus 2ab, so 3a times b mo is 4, plus b squared, 4 squared, okay? So 3 times 3 is 9, 9y squared, plus 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 4, 24, 24y plus 4 times 4 is 16. So ito yung sagot nyo. Okay? Okay, let's move forward. a minus 9 squared. So, formula, a, kapag negative yan, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? So, a mo, first term, a squared. Agad, minus 2 multiplied by a times 9b plus b squared. 9 squared. So, yung negative sign, hindi na natin nilalagay dito na yung b mo is negative 9. Ha? Ang b mo lang yan is ito. Kasi minus yun. So, dito na nag-negative ka na dito sa second term mo. Okay? A squared minus 18a plus 81. Okay? Kung para makita nyo talaga na bakit ganito, kasi ginamit lang natin itong formula nito, negative 2ab. Kaya 9 yung b natin. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga yung distributive, yung a minus 9 times a minus 9, yung foil tayo, sige. So, a squared, ganon. Okay? A squared minus 9a. Okay? Negative yan negative 9. Then, negative 9a, negative 9 times negative 9 is actually positive 81. Okay? So, dito, kapag ganito magfo-foil, tinitingnan mo yung mga signs niya. Kung may a minus 9, yung second term mo, negative 9 yan. Pero kung gamitin nyo ng formula, wag na kayo malito, yung b mo, 9 lang, kasi nag-negative ka na. Okay? Sige, a squared minus plus negative 18 minus 18a then plus 81. Diba? Pareho lang. Alright? So, next, x plus 8, x minus 8. Ito yung pinakamadali kasi isa-square mo lang yung first term mo. X squared, then minus ito, squared ng second, minus 8 times 8 is 64. So, x squared minus 64. Okay? Yung terms mo sa middle term, mawala kasi 8x, positive 8x, and minus 8x. Okay? Okay, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. So, parang 2x plus sum and difference rin to. So, square the first term. So, 2x squared yan Ganyan. Then, minus 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 9. So, ito, distributive property. Baka sabihin mo, 2x squared lang yan. Hindi. So, 2 squared x squared yan. Minus 9. So, 2 times 2 is 4x squared minus 9. This is your answer. Okay? Okay, y plus 10 times y minus 10, ganun lang rin. Square the first term, y squared, then minus 10 squared. Y squared minus 100. So, this is your answer. Okay? Yung gitnang term, mawala kasi positive 10y and negative 10y. That will just cancel out. Okay. Ganito rin. 4a, square mo yan. Okay. Minus 7 squared. So, for squared, a squared, distributive property yan ng exponents, minus 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So, 4 times 4, 4 squared is actually 4 times 4. That's 16. A squared minus 49. So, yan yung sagot nyo. Alright? And, okay. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and support our channel and like this video kapag sa tingin nyo may tulong sa inyo. And also, please do comment for any suggestions. And maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. God bless po.